10 foods good for liver repair. Number 1. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables are a nutritional powerhouse and can do wonders for liver repair. Eating greens is like taking a multivitamin for liver health due to the high amounts of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants they contain. Kale, spinach, and broccoli are excellent sources of many beneficial nutrients that support liver health. Number 2. Berries. Berries are an excellent source of antioxidants, which can help reduce oxidative stress on the liver. Blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries contain vitamins A and C that have been linked to improved liver health. They also provide fiber and other compounds that may be beneficial for detoxifying the body's systems. Please comment on my video, good comment or bad comment. Number 3. Beets and carrots. Beets and carrots may not seem like the most obvious choice when it comes to foods that can help with liver repair, but these two underrated vegetables are actually packed with nutrients that can be beneficial for a healthy liver. Beets are full of antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation caused by free radicals, while carrots contain high amounts of beta-carotene and other vitamins and minerals that can protect cells from oxidative damage. Number 4. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, such as lemons, limes, and grapefruits, offer a range of essential vitamins and minerals that make them ideal for liver repair. These types of fruits are rich in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect the liver from damage. Additionally, citrus fruits contain pectin, which is a type of fiber that can help improve liver function by reducing fat levels and increasing bile production in the body. Number 5. Apples. Apples are an important part of a healthy diet. Not only are they a delicious snack, but they can also help repair the liver. Apples contain pectin, which is known to be beneficial for the liver. Pectin helps reduce cholesterol levels and stimulates bile production, both of which help protect the liver from damage. Number 6. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel, are an excellent source of nutrition for liver health. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, these fish provide a host of benefits to the liver. Omega-3s are known to reduce inflammation and improve blood flow through the body, both of which can help repair and protect the liver from damage. Additionally, fatty fish are high in protein, which is essential for repairing tissue damage caused by liver disease or injury. Number 7. Olive oil. Olive oil is one of the best foods to consume for liver repair due to its high levels of monounsaturated fats and phenolic compounds. Monounsaturated fats are essential for improving liver health, as they help protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation in the body. Additionally, the phenolic compounds found in olive oil can help prevent oxidative stress and free radicals that can damage cells in the liver. Please comment on my video, good comment or bad comment. Number 8. Whole grains. Whole grains are an important part of a healthy diet, and they can also be beneficial for liver repair. Quinoa, oats, and barley are all excellent sources of whole grains that can help to improve liver health. Oats contain many essential vitamins and minerals such as magnesium, zinc, and iron that can help to detoxify the liver. Barley is also packed with dietary fiber and contains antioxidants which can help protect the liver from oxidative damage. Number 9. Herbs and spices. Herbs and spices are an underrated yet powerful way to boost your health. From turmeric to garlic and cilantro, these foods offer amazing benefits for liver repair. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the liver and fight damage from free radicals that can slow down the healing process. Garlic also boasts antioxidant powers that can help protect the liver from further harm during recovery. Number 10. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables, such as cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts, are an essential part of any nutritious meal plan that supports liver function. These nutrient-rich veggies provide numerous benefits to the liver due to their high concentration of antioxidants and phytonutrients.